Hello lovelies, hope you're fine, hope you're having a lovely day. So today I had this one pot meal and I decided to share with you guys. Hope you enjoy the video. So it's a cow's meat stew with vegetables, lots of vegetables. So first and foremost, I'm seasoning the meat with some salt and black pepper, and then I'm going to boil the meat. Why I'm first boiling the meat is because I want it to be almost ready by the time I add the rest of the vegetables, because I wouldn't want them to lose color. I'm just going to boil it until it is almost cooked. So in case you want to know the time of boiling the meat, it depends on the meat you have, but make sure the meat is almost cooked. That is what we are looking for. Just cook it until it is almost ready. So now I'm frying it in a pan with some vegetable oil, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry it until it changes color, until it browns. That is the color that we need for our meat. This is a one-pot dish, so clearly you don't need any accompaniment, because I'm going to add lots of things. As you'll be seeing, you can just have it the way it is without accompanying it with anything unless you want to. So just keep on frying. You're going to fry it for about 4 minutes, and then I'm going to be adding onions to the pan. And for the onions, I'm using a paste. I'm using onion paste, as you're going to be seeing. In case you don't have the paste, you can just add the real onions, though I preferred to use the paste because you're going to have lots of flavor from these pured onions. There's lots of meat recipes out there, and it's good to always try out something in case you want to, because food is there for us to enjoy it and to create beautiful, delicious things with it. So you can always just create anything you feel like with your food, with your meat. Yeah, so that is beef curry powder, about a tablespoon of beef curry, half a teaspoon of paprika, and I'm also adding 3 drops of Tabasco chili. Those are the only things I'm using. I'm also going to add some other fresh ingredients which will add flavor to this stew. So what we are going to do, we are just going to keep on frying. I'm also adding some salt. Remember, we added salt at the beginning, and I'm also adding little salt right now because we want it finely flavor. Don't put too much salt for it to become salty. Just put what's enough, and remember to taste the soup and see if the flavors have balanced. Just keep on frying until it browns. Right now I'm adding peas. I've used green peas, and I'm going to be adding the rest of the vegetables one by one. I'm also adding some celery. Celery adds lots of flavor to stews or even soups. It's a very good flavor. Carrots are very tasty and very sweet. Some green beans. As you can see, we have lots of vegetables here. We have potatoes. As I told you before, it is a one-pot meal. Those are pumpkins. You don't really need anything to accompany this. You can just eat it the way it is. Very nutritious, very healthy, flavored, and what more do you want? Yes, so just mix everything. We are not going to cook this for too long. Just like I said, we don't want our veggies to lose color. We just need them to get ready very fast. The potatoes and carrots and pumpkins, they get ready very fast, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm just going to let it boil on high heat for maximum 10 minutes, and then I'm going to let it simmer on low heat until everything is finely cooked, until everything is ready. You don't want to overcook this because the potatoes and the rest of the vegetables will get smashed. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful, very flavored, a very nice aroma. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.